If CAT is just away, this is not the time to start collecting more books, more PDFs, more YouTube playlists, and more strategies. Your biggest advantage is not how much material you have. Your biggest advantage is clarity. What should you study today? What questions should you solve? When should you take a test? And most important, what should you stop doing? So in this video, I'm going to give you a complete preparation roadmap using the Rahul Sir classes ecosystem, CAT UPS, our app suite, and practice system and test series. If you follow this intelligently, the next 90 days can completely change your CAT preparation. So phase 1 is the build and repair phase. The first 30 days are only about one thing. You have to strengthen your concepts while identifying your real weaknesses. Do not make the mistake of saying, I will first complete the entire syllabus and then start test. This approach usually fails. So your preparation must run in parallel and you need concepts, questions, revisions and tests together. So step 1 is to start with CAT UPS. Inside CAT UPS, do not think of a chapter as one huge lecture. We have deliberately broken preparation into concept-wise micro-learning. So you study one concept, immediately go through your concept, and after that notes, after that concept questions, and after that the solutions. And this has to be your learning loop. So suppose you are studying percentages, do not watch 5 hours of percentage lectures continuously. Learn one concept, stop, revise the takeaway, solve questions based on that exact concept, check your mistakes, then move to the next concept. This is how mastery will be created. The same principle will also apply to algebra, arithmetic, geometry, VRC, and the daily structure in the first 30 days to be divided into 3 broad. Your block 1 is concept building. So spend approximately 40% of your preparation time learning or repairing concepts through CAT UPS. This section should get the highest priority. Quant is weak, Quant gets more time. It's weak. Reading and RC cannot be skipped simply because you feel uncomfortable. Your weakness should decide your timetable, not your mood. The block 2 is your app suite practice. So now use the Rahul Sir classes app suite for targeted daily practice. So for calculation, speed maths. For vocabulary, use Vocab Pro. For the 𝗘𝗃𝗵𝗿 app. For reading comprehension, use the RC app. For critical reasoning, use the critical reasoning app. For DI, use the DI wizard. For logical reasoning, use Logical Mind app. For grammar support, use Grammar Pro app. For previous year CAT questions, use 𝗘𝗃 platform. For regular quant practice, use Daily Quant. The important thing is this. Do not try to use every app for 1 hour every day. That defeats the purpose. Use them as short, focused training tools. So for example, 10 minutes of speed maths app, 15 minutes of vocab app, 1 RC from RC app, 1 𝗘𝗃𝗵𝗿 set, 1 DI set, a few daily quant questions. These small daily repetitions create a huge difference over. The block 3 has to be the testing block, and from the first week itself, you have to start testing yourself. You do not need to wait for syllabus completion. You have to begin with topic test, chapter test, section test, and at least once every week, you have to take a serious timed test. The purpose of a test is not to prove that you are good. The purpose is to discover where you are losing marks. Phase 2, which is the days 31 to, and you have to shift from learning to performance. So now you have to balance changes. During the first month, concepts may have dominated. In the second month, application must dominate. So by the day, you should have already known which quant chapters are strong, which chapters are weak, what type of RC causes trouble, where do you lose time in DILR, are your errors conceptual, are there question selection errors. This information now should drive your preparation. So CAT UPS now should become adaptive. At this stage, you don't have to now move chapter by chapter. Use your performance to decide what comes next. Your CAT UPS analytics backed by the AI is going to tell you what you have completed, where your accuracy is weak, where your study inconsistency is, and is also going to make a schedule for you. And where you need attention is going to be the major deciding factor for the CAT UPS. So your plan should keep changing based on your preparation. Like, for example, a student who is weak in geometry should not have the same next week schedule as a student who is already strong in geometry but is weak in VRC. So this is why the preparation should be dynamic, and the AI in the CAT UPS takes care of that. So now increase your test frequency. During day, introduce more sectionals and full-length mocks. A practice structure could be 2 to 3 sectional tests every week, 1 full-length mock every week initially, Gradually increase to 2 mocks per week if your analysis quality is good. But remember, taking a mock is only half the work. The real improvement happens after the mock. And also, how to analyze a mock is what you should know. So you have to use your PYQs aggressively. So between the previous year CAT questions become extremely important. And how CAT thinks? Use the Rahul sir classes Q system topic-wise. If you are studying time, speed, distance, solve CAT PYQs from that concept. If you are preparing practice actual CAT level, expose yourself to the real CAT set. It is not just to know the chapter. The goal is to understand how CAT converts that chapter into a question. After this comes the phase 3, which is the 5 mock-driven preparation, is what now you are going to go through. And this is after you know that you have only 1 month of practice remaining. And this is where many students make a dangerous mistake. They suddenly try to study everything, but you have to do the opposite. Your mock data should now tell you your strongest and weakest areas. You have to focus on scoring areas first. CAT is not a syllabus completing exam. CAT is a score maximization exam. So that means now a focus on the mock frequency has to be there. At this stage, ideally you have to take around 2 full-length mocks per week, depending on your recovery and analysis capacity. Do not take mock after mock without analysis. A well-analyzed mock is more valuable than 3 casually attempted mocks. So between mocks, you have to revise concepts through the CAT UPS. You have to solve targeted questions. You have to use the past year question paper app. You have to use app suite tools for daily skill maintenance. And you have to take sectional tests wherever they are needed. And in this zone, your apps now become your maintenance tools. So during these 15 days, the app suite should keep your skills sharp. For example, every morning, 10 minutes speed maths, vocabulary revision from vocabulary app, 1 short 𝗲𝗲𝗿𝗆 activity, and later 1 from the DILR apps, and you have to selected points practice from Quant app, PYQs from your weak areas, and think of these apps like a gym. You do not go to the gym once for 8 hours. You train, repeat it. So small repetition, maintain performance. And after this, phase 4, this is the CAT mode. The final 15 days are completely different. This is no longer a syllabus building time. This is exam execution time. Your goal is to make your CAT behavior predictable. By now, you should know your preferred section strategy, your target number of attempts, when to leave a question, which question types you recognize quickly, your typical mistakes, your section timing strategy, and here you don't have to experiment wildly now. So final 15-day rules. Rule number 1, no resource hopping. Do not suddenly discover a new teacher, a new 500 questions PDF, or a new strategy channel. Stay with your system. Rule number 2, revise but don't rebuild. Use CAT UPS key takeaways and notes for rapid revision. Return only to concepts where a mock performance shows a genuine problem. Rule number 3, PYQs. PYQs should remain part of your final preparation. Rule number 4, maintain calculation and reading fitness. Continue short sessions with your Speed Maths app, Vocab Pro app, Reading Comprehension app, Parajumbles app, and Critical Reasoning app. Rule number 5, analyze your mocks more. Percentile in one mock is not important. The pattern across mocks is important. Is accuracy improving? Is question selection improving? Are silly mistakes falling? Are you completing sections more calmly? That is preparation. So a simple 90-day time split. You have to think like day 1 to, you have to measure it by how many concepts have you actually applied under pressure, or how many concepts can you apply under pressure. Do not measure it by how many questions have I solved. You have to measure it by recognizing the right question faster, and do not measure it only by how many hours did I study. You have to ask, did today's work make tomorrow's CAT performance better? The difference between activity and preparation. So this is exactly why we have built Rahul sir classes as an integrated CAT preparation ecosystem. CAT UPS handles your structured concept learning, revision questions, solutions, and preparation analytics. App suites train individual skills every day. Your PYQs app connect your learning to actual CAT thinking, and the test series measures your performance. And your preparation data helps you understand what needs attention next. So instead of having lectures in one place, questions, mocks, and your timetable in a notebook, the objective is to bring your preparation into one connected ecosystem. For the next 90 days, don't chase more content. Build a better process, study, practice, test, analyze, and correct yourself and repeat this. And when you should not feel that you are trying something new, you should feel that you are simply repeating a process you have already practiced many times. So together we will wish you all the success in the CAT exam. Thank you so much.